Hello everybody, today we're going to be examining 6 patents and 3 different patent applications, all related to cap sleeves. So let's jump into the first one. So the first patent that we're going to be looking at is the thermal coffee cup, which priority date is in July 20th of 1948, and is basically a paper coffee cup with an insulated container jacket that also has a cap that secures the contents of the cup. The second example that we're going to be looking at is the sleeve construction for improved paperboard cup isolation. In this patent, prioritized in May 3rd, 1999, adds hot glue dots that separates the 2 layers of the sleeve in a cup. And with this method, the sleeve achieves a higher insulation characteristics. And our third patent is the one called insulating sleeve, that it was prioritized in May 4th of 2000, and this patent discloses a foldable sleeve that creates an air gap between the 2 layers of the sleeve around the whole coffee cup. And in this patent it also discloses the biodegradable materials that it is using. And now we have patent 4, called thermal sleeve, method for manufacturing a thermal sleeve, and combination cup and thermal sleeve. This patent was prioritized in April 15th of 2005, and this invention consists of a sleeve having 2 layers of 2 different materials. This patent also claims the combination of such sleeve with cup of different materials such as paperboard, polymer coated paperboard, as well as plastic. And now we have patent 5, which is called insulator sleeve for a beverage container. It was prioritized March 1st of 2006, and it consists of a sleeve having 2 layers. The inner layer that is close to the cup being opaque, and the second layer being translucent or transparent, in order to make the sleeve customizable. Now we have patent number 6, which is called temperature indicating sleeve and related container. It was prioritized in December 15th of 2006, and basically this is a sleeve that shows the temperature of the cup container. We get into patent applications. We're going to see 3 examples. The first one is called protective sleeve, and it had a priority date since July 25th of 2008, and this patent might look that it doesn't improve much, but what it does is creating a sleeve with less manufacturing materials, that is of course reducing the environmental impact. It also has a nice feature with a system of edges and peaks that will make the sleeves stack really easy. The second patent application is called beverage cup sleeving system method. It has a priority date since August 23rd of 2006, and basically this is a sleeve made of a material called elastomer, which is a polymer. It will also isolate your hand from the hot cup, and it also makes the sleeve customizable by printing logos or any letter. Finally, our third patent application is called hot and cold cup sleeve. It has a priority date since February 6th of 2014, and it consists of a sleeve of 3 layers. The inner layer is water absorbent, preventing condensation from dripping onto the table. The outer layer is made of non-woven synthetic material fabric in order to keep the hand dry. And then they are both adhered with a polyethylene film. And the benefits of this sleeve is that extremely lightweight, is thin, inexpensive, disposable, and of course highly effective insulator. So after the summary of these 6 granted patents and 3 patent applications, I hope you've learned more about patents in general and start to understand them better and better. Thank you so much, and I would love to read your comments.